Okay, so happy?
Yeah, very.
Very happy. Today is a really exciting day in the Tintenta household because Mrs. T has got her very first Dyson. And we've been promising ourselves one for how many years?
Oh, at least the last 4.
Yeah, there we go. So we're going to unbox the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute and get it ready and show you what it's all about. Because we haven't got a clue.
No, not a clue.
We bought it from Argos.
I just know it hasn't got a cable. It's cord free, and I'm really excited about doing the stairs.
Yes.
I'm sad.
So, yeah, really excited about doing the stairs. And in about 4 weeks' time, we move to a bungalow.
Yeah, but I can do the shutters. I'm still going to have shutters in my new bungalow.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Anyway, right, okay. So we're going to unbox this, then we're going to fire it up, show you what it's like, because we're excited about it. And I think if you're looking to buy a Dyson, and certainly the Cyclone V10 Absolute, then I'm sure you may well be interested. So,
and can I just mention as well that we have just, because we're moving, we've just literally emptied the loft, and there's all sorts of rubbish on the upstairs floor and landing. So just don't think we normally live like this when I'm hoovering.
Right, so go on then.
What?
Are you going to start unboxing it?
Right, okay. Cool. Whoops. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on.
She's gone together. So what does it say on the bottom? It says it's direct drive cleaner head with carbon fibre filaments.
So it's a direct drive. Does that mean I don't have to take the car out anymore?
Yeah, exactly. You can go to work on that.
Replace. It's almost like a broomstick.
I was just going to say it. It'll replace your broomstick.
Thank you.
You said it, not me.
I know.
There we go. So it's all nicely compact.
Oh gosh.
They're the instructions.
Welcome to your new Dyson. Before you
Have
get.
a look.
Ooh.
Can we zoom in on that? What does it say?
Just welcome to your new Dyson, and it gives it a 2-year free guarantee. So I can do that later on.
Fabulous.
Oh look, it comes in little boxes and stuff. Oh, it's all. Well, you can. It's like, Dyson just pack it so beautifully, don't they?
It's almost like Apple, isn't it? Apple always do really good packaging.
Yeah.
So, mind you, if you're paying for a premium product, you expect it to be well packed.
I suppose, yeah.
So, absolutely.
This is the gold stick. Ooh.
Gold stick. Wow, is that like a golden ticket?
Yeah, this is the Dyson. Oh yeah, I've got a golden stick. Oh, well, never mind.
Okay.
Gosh.
And what is it you're opening there?
These are the attachments.
Okay.
I think everything sort of has got a
So show us the attachments. So we've got a sucky brushy thing.
Yeah, but that's also got a longy thingy.
That'll be good for our shutters then, won't
It'll be good
it?
for the shutters, and it's going to be good to push it forward to go to get the cobwebs out of the thing. And so
Yeah.
it's like,
And that's
and what I
doing
like
the
about it,
edges.
from what I understand, yes, does it? No, I don't know. Doesn't it?
Actually, you need to put it in the right end.
Probably.
Careful, tiger.
Oh, there's so many things to unbox. What's that?
Take your time. That's the charger
Okay.
and the mains lead.
Okay.
Let's have a look at that. There we go. So we've got the mains lead, 3-pin plug, because we're in the UK. And then that's the charger adapter that obviously goes into the vacuum cleaner.
I suppose we've got to charge
That's
this up
good.
before we can actually use it, haven't we?
Yeah, we'll put it together and get everything ready and then have a quick charge and then see what happens.
Doesn't go at that end. It's okay at that end.
So we're not reading the instructions then, no?
No.
Oh, no?
Oh,
Okay.
look. I just love the way everything clicks together. It's brilliant. Oh, sorry. So
Okay.
that must mean when that clicks in. Yes.
Yes, are we there now?
Yeah, that must mean that clicks in. You're like, oh.
Yeah. So can we just show us up close on how easy it is to click everything in?
Literally just like that.
So you click the head in there and release it.
Yeah.
So it clicks in and releases it.
It's brilliant.
And you find that quite easy to do?
Oh, God, yes.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah. Oh,
Brilliant? Perfect?
I've been so looking forward to doing this. What's this one?
I think that's another sort of head almost for the stairs, isn't it? Another...
Oh, I don't know. No, this is the ball one.
a
This
ball
goes
one.
round the corners. When you click that one in, it sort of like goes round corners and stuff, and it goes like that. And it's really clever. God,
Yeah.
I've been so excited about having a Hoover.
vacuum cleaner,
A
dear.
vacuum cleaner.
It's not a Hoover.
What's that?
It's a vacuum cleaner.
That's the thing to put it on the wall.
All right, that's the charging bracket, is it?
Yeah, you stick it on the wall like that.
Yeah,
somehow.
okay, we'll look at all that. We're not going to be putting the charger on the wall in this house, because as I said, we're moving in sort of 3-4 weeks' time, but that will certainly go on the wall in our new property.
Yep.
And possibly in a few months' time, we might do an update on how we're getting on with our vacuum cleaner. And that's... Oh, it's got some charge.
20% charged.
Oh, now you're excited.
Oh, I'm very excited. Woo! Oh, maximum. A little bit. Next bit. Oh, listen.
Right, let's just go close up. So what's that button do there?
Well, it's got a little one, a nearly one, and then a maximum. But
A little one, a nearly one, and a maximum
yeah,
one.
listen to this. Listen to the whatever it is after I switch it off. Ready?
Boom. Boom. It's like a sort of Darth Vader-y type thing, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay, so that's good. So it's nice to know it's got some charge in it, because I should imagine you can't wait to welly it up and have a go.
What's this box? Oh, more heads.
Oh, that's the stair. That must be the stair head then, is it?
Yeah. Oh gosh, more heads.
All right, that's a nice little one for the stairs. That's good.
And then there's this one. I've never seen so many heads. Gonna need to have a storage bay just to store the heads in. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's a nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, am I right in thinking? Because you can put your big pole on the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So-
I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's just get rid of all the packaging. Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Hello.
Yes,
It's not Christmas Day.
It is.
Let's get rid of all the packaging and then have a look. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sorry.
concentrate. Let's have a look at all the packaging,
Yeah.
and then we can see how we get on putting it together.
Okay.
Right, we're back.
Yep.
Okay, so let's have a look at how we put this together. So does that just clip in the end there then?
Yeah, just clips in just there like that.
Clips in. Okay, so that's your, what do they call it? Gold pole.
Yeah, and then I've got various things that I can put in like this. And
So does that make that head spin when you turn it on? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so it fits under there nicely.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between that head? What's the difference between that head? That looks a bit wibbly wobbly.
Yeah, well, it goes around corners and
Okay.
round things.
And that head then?
I don't know, this one does other things. I don't know, you're going to have to play with it to tell.
Does that go around? Oh yeah, that does as well.
Oh, it's like a foamy thing, that one. Oh, my word.
Oh, that might be for wooden floors then.
Oh, it might be.
Stops them from scratching.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I bet that's wooden floors. And
Right.
this, hang on a second,
And that's got...
that's carpet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's the one you should have just been using.
Oh, brilliant!
Okay, right. So coming back,
Yeah.
um,
So then you've got other things that you can do, like this one. That's
Yeah.
to get in the crevices and the cracks. And
hang on a second, I didn't quite get that going on there. What? So that's,
it's just a sec, because they've got...
yeah, no, I didn't see it coming on. So let's just check. Okay, yeah.
Literally, just plug and play. So then if I do that one, I can take that one off.
Yeah,
And put, oops, this one on. Oops.
okay.
I'm so excited. I'm hungry too. Never mind. That's a different conversation.
Okay, right. So what about if we... So if you've noticed, it's tough to try and get us to stop here.
Huh?
Okay, so let's just look at that one there to see how that would work on the shutters. to the shutters. Would it be better to have that on a shorter arm?
Well, it depends how big your shutters are.
Okay, I was just thinking, you seem to be a long way from... Is that easier to do that?
Okay,
Yeah?
Oh, I've run out of charge.
Okay, well that's not bad. Right, so that at least means that you're going to stop. So come over here. We can charge it up again before we go upstairs and have a go on the carpets. So, how do we take this apart and clean it?
Oh, right. Let me
Do it on the floor because we can hoover it up later. Okay, well just look at what we've already picked up, just by doing that little bit of vacuuming round here, how much we've picked up. So do you want to turn, okay, so we've got a red, come a bit closer, a red, see where Mrs T's holding that red there. So to empty it, you just push that down and then it releases the bottom and everything comes out there.
You've got glitter in there.
Free from Christmas. Okay, so so you just put that into a bin and then you just shut that up and push it back up again. Can we have a look at that again? Just that action. Push down, it opens and empties. And then how do you close it?
You just push it back up again.
Push it back up like that. So it's very simple.
And this thing here, it's a filter.
All right, yeah.
And you can wash it, but you must remember to dry it. Apparently.
Must be dry before you put it back on. And that just screws in on the top and back.
Oh, I want to do more.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll charge it up and then we'll go and attack some of the carpets upstairs.
Okay.
Okay, we'll come back shortly. Okay, we're just going to plug this in so we can see it charging. You've got a little indicator along there. Let's just see if we can focus in, see the indicator. The charging lead actually fits in there. Now, if you've got this wall mounted, then the charging lead slits into the wall mounting kit. And then what you can see is you've got a little blue, can I just move a bit closer, Mrs T? Little blue LED indicator there that starts to light up and flash. So that's showing us that that is now charging. So we'll give it some charge and then we can go upstairs and play. Happy with that? Yeah, good, thought you might be. See you all again in a minute. Okay, we're at the top of the stairs.
I couldn't wait any longer.
Well, she couldn't wait, so we're not fully charged.
No, not at all. Really.
As you can see, it is pretty messy. The reason being we've been up in the loft.
Yeah.
Because we have been packing, and I'll show you, there's our spare room at the moment, and we're getting ready to move.
We are.
And we're going to show you how it performs on carpet with lots of bits and dust.
Fingers
Genuine
crossed.
bits and stuff.
Right, ready?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Is that a good suck?
Oh, it's wonderful. Best suck I've ever used. Right, hang on. So, I'm going to do that. So that's brilliant for that sort of thing.
Okay.
I want to put this one on here, which is, I've got an elongated one for a bit of what's it, and I can come back for a hard one.
Okay.
Whoops, hang on. I could actually, hang on, I could actually put this on a short thing so I can feel what I'm doing. Hang on.
Oh, I see, yeah, so you haven't got a big pole.
So the hard one. Oh, it's gone again, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, we'll come back again shortly. Okay, so I think we're a bit more charged up now, so we're putting on our sort of... That's one you can go around the edges of the carpet with, isn't it? So I'm just getting... I can't quite see.
So I've never been able to get in here properly before.
Oh, it actually makes a difference.
It does,
From
yeah.
here,
Yeah.
your maximum suck.
No, I'm not. I'm on that's maximum. I'm on the littlest one at the moment because I thought, well, if I'm not fully charged up, then I might not need to use it all.
Yeah. Okay, just a thought.
Yeah.
If you want to run that down, because sometimes in carpets you can actually see there is a sort of dark ridge up against the skirting.
Yeah.
Put it on maximum suck and see if that
Like
really
that,
does
okay.
make a difference. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
really does clean those edges.
Well, I'm happy
That's
about that.
pretty good.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Perfect. And the last one we need to look at is the stairs.
Yeah, because I want to do some stairs. Like, this is my big bugbear
Right.
over the years, because we always had a cord.
Let's reposition ourselves. Hold on.
Oh.
So, repositioned.
Yeah, this has been my bugbear for years, because I've always had a cord with a big upright hoover and had to sort of manhandle it down the stairs. Oh, hang on. Let's put on the little one. Now I just have to do this. It's very exciting.
Okay, and isn't there a stair tool as well?
Yeah, I'm just doing the edges.
Oh, okay.
I could do the edges, but I suppose with a little brushy thing. But this is the stair tool. Oh, okay. That's wrong way around. Oh.
So can you just turn that upside down so we can see it spinning? Oh, wow. Okay, I like that.
Oh, look! Oh, this is so much easier. You have made me a very happy lady.
Well, there you go. And is that relatively easy?
Oh, it's brilliant. Oh, why didn't we do this years ago? Hang on, I need that one in there because that's got a bit stuck in the corner.
So it's easy to change the tools halfway through as well, yeah?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Oh, this is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, look.
Oh, I see, it actually does it. Yeah, swivels. Can you just hold that up and show? Can you move it with your hand?
Goes around like that, look.
Oh, wow, okay,
Wait,
so it goes with contour of the stairs.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm a happy lady.
Okay, so anything else you want to add on that?
Not really. I mean, the long sticky thing can go up to the big crevices in the sky, you know, in the corners.
Yeah.
Apart from that, it's just watching me work, and you don't want to do that, do you?
No, absolutely not. Brilliant. Well, thanks for that, Mrs. T.
You're welcome. Thank you.
No,
for training.
well, us. We
Yes.
treated ourselves.
We did.
Look, if you found that of interest, please give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it, wouldn't we?
Yes, we would.
Yeah, and don't forget, hit that red button and subscribe, because the more you subscribe, the more these little things we can bring you and show you and tell you about, which might help you make a decision if you're looking to buy something like this. So for now, thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe, and well, bye for now.
Bye.